Hello friends, welcome to our channel LT Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today here I am going to discuss about CT Part 3. Standard range of LTCT. Indoor type CT are of two types: indoor cast resin type, indoor tape insulated type. The primary currents may be one of the say, set below the ampere range: 50, 60, 75, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 400, 500, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, 1600, 2000, 2400, 3000, 3200, 4000, 5000 ampere. The secondary current are 1 ampere or 5 ampere. The VA range of the CT 5 to 15 VA. Some example of HTCT. Here is the type separately mounted in the outdoor substation. The system voltage first to 20 kV. The CT ratio 300 600 1000 1200, and secondary, this is the primary current, and secondary current is 1 ampere. Next, primary current 200 400 800, and the secondary current is 1 ampere, and primary current 75 150 300, and the secondary current is 1 ampere. 132 kV system voltage, then primary current 150 300 600, and the secondary current 1 ampere. Again 125 250 500, this is the primary current, and the secondary current is 1 ampere, and again primary current 75 and 150, the secondary current is 1 ampere. Here is the again primary current 50 100 200, and the primary current is and the secondary current is 1 ampere. Here is the first is the primary current, and after oblique sign, this is the secondary current. Okay, next. Here is the example of dual core dual ratio CT. Here is the example of dual core dual ratio CT. There is two core, one for metering and one for protection CT. Core 1 for metering. Here is the primary current for core 1 50 and 500 ampere, and secondary current is 5 ampere. It is 15 VA and class 1 CT. For core 2 for protection CT, the same is 50 primary current and 100 primary current, and secondary current is 5 ampere, 15 VA and 5P 10 plus CT for protection purpose. Here is two core in the same CT, and what is about 50 and primary current 50 ampere and 100 ampere. Here it is the RCL. RCL means ratio changeover link for current transformer. Here is the enlarged view of RCL. There is two links, one link and two links. When this link is open, this link is closed. When this link is open, this link is closed. This link is open, this link is closed. When we use the tab for these two link, that means the CT is ready for only 50 ampere. When the primary current is 100 ampere, then this is opened and this link is closed. This link is open, this link is closed. Means for primary current 100 ampere, we provide these two taps. We provide these two taps through the link setting. These two taps are for 50 ampere and these two taps are for 100 ampere. P1 is the polarity of primary side, P2, P1 and P2 is the polarity for primary side, P1 and P2 is the polarity for primary side. Here MFM is the multifunction meter, A is the ammeter, ASS is the ammeter selection switch, 51 by 51N is the IDMT overcurrent and earth fault relay. J1 J2 is the DC 24 volt auxiliary supply, and here is the RCL. That's the enlarged view of RCL. Okay, next. Construction of CT. Here is a single turn primary with one core. Here is the primary winding. 2 is the insulation. 3 is the core. 4 is the secondary winding. Here is multi-turn primary with one core. Here is the 4 is the secondary winding, 3 is the core, 2 is the insulation and 1 is the primary winding. And here is the multi-turn primary with two core. This is core 1 and this is core 2. This is the primary multi-turn and here is the two secondary, two core, core 1, core 2. S1, S2 is the secondary, S1 is 2 is the secondary. Okay, next. Here is CBCT, core balance current transformer. Core balance current transformer, also known as zero sequence current transformer. This is generally ring type or box type current transformer. The main function of CBCT to protect against earth fault or earth leakage in the power system. This detects the existence of zero sequence current during fault condition. Here three cores of three-phase system pass through the inner dia of the CBCT. When there is no earth leakage or earth fault in the system, then no current flows in the CBCT. Secondary. But when an earth fault occurs, the residual current flows through the CBCT's secondary and activate the earth leakage relay R. Here is the three-phase course of three-phase system passed through the CBCT to the load. When there is earth fault or earth leakage, the CBCT secondary send a current to the earth leakage relay, and this earth leakage relay activate, and it also activate the breaker trip coil. Okay, next. Here is the configuration of outdoor CT. Here is the primary P1 and P2, and here is the core, and here is the secondary S1, S2. Here is the core, and here is the porcelain. This is porcelain bushing. And now I tell about what is summation CT. When multiple feeders supply to different loads from a common bus bar, then to calculate the total ampere of all individual feeders are summed by summation CT to see the total ampere on single meter. Instead of using several meters from several CT and from several feeders and again summing the total amperes. This is the basic funda of Summation CT. Now I show the figure or circuit of the Summation CT. Here is the Summation CT, SCTR, SCTY, SCTB. Here is the RYB phase, three-phase bus bar, and it is the feeder 1 and it is the feeder 2. From feeder 1 CT, red phase CT, and for feeder 2 red phase CT are here summed in the SCTR, Summation CTR. Again similarly from Y of feeder 1 this CT and the feeder 2's Y phase CT, both are summed here in SCTY. Similarly for blue phase, both CTs are summed here in SCTB and then goes to the multifunction meter for reading. This is the basic funda of Summation CT to calculate the total ampere of the two feeder in this bus bar instead of separate two multifunction meter. By using Summation CT, one can show the total ampere of the two feeder 1 and feeder 2. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you think the video is useful to you, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. In the next video I shall proceed you about PT or potential transformer. Wish you a happy new year. Thank you. Bye.